right, good evening. Today is August 18th, 2022. Welcome to another market update from Bullring Trading. What happened today? The Fed released its notes yesterday and the market went, what? People didn't understand what's going on today. So there's a simple explanation for what happened today. The bulls are not done. If you go back and if you know charts, go back and look at your charts. They were buying every dip on the way up, or if you want to see it on the way down. Very interesting day, but remember, we talked yesterday about the RSIs. The RSIs are high, and it demonstrates we are overbought. So again, welcome. I am Ruben Avalos Jr., aka also known as Coach Avalos. And today I'm going to walk you through some of the few stocks that we've been watching lately. Also, FYI, I've dropped a straddle video here on my channel. And if you want to learn how straddles work and you want to get more training after the video, feel free to click on the link below and I will gladly teach you for free. So that's coming up for you guys. Just a little extra free classes and education to help you out so you don't have a stressful time in the market since it's so volatile right now. Okay, so today we're going to go through some of the tech and communication stocks that we like to play, and got a special treat. I am here live with you guys, so let's go through this and let's get it. Okay, so not a lot of news today. Just going to go over a little bit with you guys today. So today's development, right? So we had home sale figures. We also had the jobless claims. And everything looks like it's calming down. It's getting better. And what's going on? Everybody thinks this is a great time to start buying because it's going up. Well, a lot of people are going to get faked out. Many analysts are saying the same thing. Now, you do have the big trading companies, okay? You can call them the hedge funds or investment groups. They're all the only thing they're doing is they're buying dips because they know when the market is going to turn around, they're going to sell off. So be very careful. You guys are buying into this. So this is not what's going on right now. So, anyways, just thought I'd drop a little news there for you guys and show you that those numbers are not true. Okay, so let me get out of the way here for a little bit and let's go through the charts. So, Melly, in the straddle video, you'll be able to see that reversal hammer that we called out the other day is going to pay well. Okay, so in the straddle video, you'll see how that's working out for me. And if you're interested, like I said, feel free to drop me a DM or click on the link. So today I want to go through the 1 hour charts and just show you, and you're going to see a trend that I see really quickly, okay? So Melly, on the 1 hour, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, we got about 3 days of trading there, right? So you see what I see, okay? So the trend is not lying to us, okay? Here I have SPX, which I've been following, and I bought a straddle with SPX. Probably the last straddle I ever buy with SPX. Why is that? Go watch my straddle video. I'll show you why. One of the reasons is it's not very volatile. It's very pacific, very calm. But still, right, headed in the same direction. We have NDQ. NDQ tried, ended up lower. We have Tesla. Tesla being the beast it is, tried very hard. almost got back up, but didn't. Then Apple, I'm not sure we want to call it yet, but Apple looks like it wants to actually fall. We'll see. We got Amazon here. You got Microsoft. Microsoft had a reversal hammer as well. So if you took advantage of that and went short on Amazon, right, you're probably up some nice change right now. And again, one of the things I recommend is do not trade if you think it's too risky. Paper trade it. Don't put your money in this. Paper trade it. But I do want to show you something on the RSI for some of these, right? They're already starting to drop. Okay. So follow me on the RSIs. If you see the stocks I'm displaying like Google, then we have SPY, right? So they all started going on a downtrend on the 1 hour. So why do I look at the 1 hour? Because versus looking at it on the daily, on the 1 hour, I get 6.5 tries or looks at the stock I'm watching or following. Chipotle usually doesn't follow, okay, but they started seeing a downtrend. We have the Dow Jones, okay, this is something that I teach my team, okay. You had an uptrend here, okay, then we went across, and then we're coming up again, potentially forming a wedge. Be careful, because you might get the drop. So you see here, right, we're headed downward. So there's some resistance right in this area here. So keep an eye out on that. Now, can the stock market go up? Yeah, if it's got potential. Even though the RSIs are very oversold on the daily, and let me show you here. Okay, and this is NASDAQ. You see it was in a ascending wedge and it hit resistance, starting to come down. Okay. But if you do what I do, you take a little line and just draw it under the RSI. If it goes past that line, then it's going to go down, okay? But for right now, we think we have confirmation, but we really don't. So be careful entering any trades in the NASDAQ. Same thing with the Russell 2000, if you play the Russell 2000. So very volatile times. When's the last time this happened? The only time I seen it by studying charts was in 2012. Yes, 2012, 10 years ago. All the stocks were overbought and they kept going like this one here. Okay, I use my little marker. You see, it is overbought and it might hang up there for a little while. Who knows? Maybe 3 days. But again, we have our trend lines, and let's see what happens. Maybe they start breaking these trend lines and they go past that. And then if you're shorting a stock, might do well. So keep an eye out for that. Now, one thing I want to cover for you guys is VIX. Okay. VIX is something I've been tracking closely because a lot of folks are wondering, what is VIX doing? Why is it not moving? Well, VIX is at a major support line here. Okay. You see last time it came down in a descending wedge. And then after that, it has popped up. Okay. So be careful. Or if you're shorting stocks, keep an eye out because look, you have the same pattern and then it might pop up. Based off my technical analysis, I think it's going to go to 30. Okay. If this plays out the way technical analysis usually play out, okay, it's going to follow what it normally does after a descending wedge. So more to come on that. We'll keep an eye on that. Let me highlight this for you a little bit so you can see what's been going on down here. Very interesting how uh, now this has not gone as low as the previous support, but you can see here, okay, and this is going to be, might have to break this out into the 1 hour to show you what I see, but I'm going to go ahead and trend it for you, okay. So if I take my lowest point here, and we can see potentially we're in an uptrend, right? We could have said that here, but then we fell, okay? And that's okay because we're still not at the bottom of the support, okay? So potentially we could go back up. Now, if I break it down to the 1 hour, okay, we can see that we do have, let me fix my auto here. We do have a trend, right? It was going up and then it started going down. But for me, if I had to give you my best opinion, is this stock is in a rectangle, okay? See those candles? And this is on the 1 hour. So we're at the bottom of this rectangle box right now. So let's see what happens, you know. Maybe it continues to go down and it bounces off of here, okay? Or let me get you a better arrow. I love this arrow here, really nice. Okay, so let's go here. We hit the bottom of the box, the top of the box, bottom of the box, top. Kind of stopped here, but then it went to the bottom. So now, will they go up, or will they go down, or will they keep bouncing in this box for a few more days? So let's check it out. But definitely we know if this is a bottom, okay, and we know it's hit it 3 times, not once, not twice, 3 times. So here you go. You got 1. Oops, sorry. You got 1 there. You got 2. You got 3. Okay. Now if it breaks this, then we know we're going to have some serious overbought stocks. So to me personally, I think it's going to be a bigger crash once they get done being overbought, because if you're watching stocks, okay, let me just use Apple as an example on the daily. And if you're buying and been buying, at some point you're going to see this and you're going to say, I'm selling, because you know it's going to go down. So at some point, folks are going to sell, and it might be a lot, and they sell quick. Guess what? Very hard crash. So anyways, I hope this helps. And again, I want to make you guys an offer. You know, click on the link below. You need help with understanding candles, understanding technical analysis. When's a good time to get in and get out? One of the things I do is I replay stocks, and I'll show you on the Sunday classes on when you should have got in, when you should have got out, and then you can understand that it's not as bad as you might think. Some folks get nervous when the bell opens and they want to buy, or sell. I'll help you calm those nerves. So if you're interested, click on the link below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate your time, and wishing you another Green Friday. Take care.